Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, Government of India has launched a new OCI portal. So that is why I'm walking you through that how to apply, or you can say how to do OCI registration here. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. So guys, overall process remains the same, that you need to first do online registration, then that will generate an application form, filled application form that you have to download, sign, and then you need to visit your Indian visa mission or application center, or even outsource agency as per your location. Then there you submit the final application, and then you get the OCI card. Okay. Now in Canada, this has been outsourced to BLS, but again, based on your location, it could be something else too. So we are going to go through the new portal. So eligibility and other things remain the same. For registration, you need to click here to proceed. Okay, now I'm going to put some sample, and definitely I'm not going to submit the application. Surname as per your passport. Date of birth, let's say I'm putting sample, you do it as per your own case. First, email ID, nationality, I select, let's say you're Canadian national, capture. So I'm going to put email ID, phone number, and then I'm going to do it, capture, and I'm going to click on register, and then I'm going to see you guys. Okay guys, so what happens after that screen, the system sends a one-time password on the mobile, on the email address that you specify, and that one-time password you have to use in order to create your password. Once your password is created, it takes you back to the login page where you need to use your user ID, that's the email perhaps you registered, and the password, and then you come to this page. So now you have to complete your profile. Okay. Now I'm putting some sample details, but you have to do as per your own case. Okay. Passport expiry, father name, mother name, let's say. Okay. Now here we reached. Okay. Now it's asking because you have not completed any application. That's why it's not listed here. And we don't have even any application in process. So that's why it's not here. So, okay. So for applying a new OCR registration, you're gonna go with this. So on which basis? Indian origin applicant, like you were a former Indian, like there's criteria, okay? Foreign spouse applicant or minor applicant. So I just select this one, Indian origin applicant. Okay, criteria is given. Click on apply online. Now all the details are here. You should read and understand. It's probably same, most more or less, including the criteria, documents that you need, etc. Proceed. So again, like you have, so registration form page 1, page 2, photo sign upload, part B, document upload, verify information, final submission. Of course, I won't be submitting. Place of submission, where you're gonna do. So I select Canada, mission, Toronto. It will gender, male, the country of birth. Let's say you were born in India. I mean, on that basis, you are doing district of birth or state. Let's say you were born in Delhi. District of birth, New Delhi. Place of birth. uh, Date of birth. Marital status, let's say single, unmarried. Visible mark, let's say mole on left cheek. Just simple. Father's nationality. Father's profession, let's say retired. Mother's nationality, let's say India. Mother's profession, let's say houseman. Nation with root Indian. Self. Save and continue. Page B, occupation. Professional selected. Your employer address, of course. You know that. Phone number, you know that. Your address, you know that. Zip code, you know that. Photo. Let me see if I can go through this. May not be able to. But anyway, up to let's see. Okay, now we have gone to the part B of the form. Have you any member of family applied for OCI of India registration earlier? I select no, but do answer as per your case. Have you surrendered your previous OCI card holder? If yes, pension. Oh, whether holding dual nationality? Have you sought asylum? I mean, answer all of this as per your own case. I'm just putting no sample, guys. Fraud, criminality, and all other cases have been, all other questions have they asked. Investigation. Naturalization, date of acquisition. I mean, before you apply OCI, there's a mandatory requirement you have to surrender. What do you call? Indian passport, previous nationality. So India, denunciation, oh, Indian passport number. And every piece of information you enter, check it 2 times. Document upload. Proof of presented evidence, self or parent, grandparents. Okay. So they have given all the documents that you can upload. Okay. And then you'll go to verify and submit, and then you have to take a printout. So this is first half part of the process. For second part, I'm going to go through BLS site, but again, it could be different based on your locality. Okay. So we'll go through that. Hey guys, welcome back. So guys, like the first step I have walked you through, where I showed you how you can fill the online application for OCI. But before submission, you have to submit in the mission, third party agency, or authorized application center. And this may vary based on your location. At some places might be Indian embassy or consulate will directly accept. Anyway, so because I'm here in Canada, so I have opened this BLS International Toronto jurisdiction site. So step number one we have done, which is common for all. Step number two could be different. Okay, that we are here. Okay, OCI we have gone. This we know. Okay, so application form we have gone to. Step two, what are the documents we need? Print out of application form from step one. current foreign passport, in our case Canadian birth certificate, copy of minor children I have one. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry, I opened the wrong PDF. Slide. I should go to checklist. Sorry. Checklist, patient minor adult who were previously Indian. So this is our case. Step number one is done. Two we are in. Print out copy of surrender and initiation certificate. So nowadays, guys, for OCI, you need to provide the passport surrender certificate along with it. Earlier, OCI and passport surrender could have been applied together, but not anymore. Okay, fine. So copy of cancelled surrender, last Indian. Mandatory declaration. We'll go through that basically, but let me tell you what it is. This is a new, recently introduced new requirement where you need to, with reference file reference number, this gets generated on your file. This is to declare that you have some surrendered voter ID and ration card. Okay. So this step you need to do before you go for OCI. Nowadays they're very strict about it, no doubt. Certificate of foreign citizenship. So in Canada, when you get citizenship, you get like citizenship certificate. Okay. Copy of current valid foreign passport, registered marriage, registered marriage certificate if married, copy of spouse current passport if married, COPR. So again, this is location specific requirement because in Canada you get COPR. Professional details, proof of address, you have to take photograph, submit at BLS center. Okay. And then if the application gets through, you get the OCI. Now, how you're gonna do? There are two ways you can apply. Either you can go by postal service or go by um, submitting at the location counter. So guys, what I would do, like postal is always like very good method. Recently I had gone through it, and if you want to book an appointment, I have already created a video about it, how you can do it. Okay, so I'm going to include that link, but based on my previous experience, postal is good because everything is so convenient, and if you follow all the steps, all the instructions, all the checklist, there's nothing to be worried about. And if you have any questions asked, okay, I think I did not tell you about fee. Let's see. Yeah, fee. So with Canadian dollar, this is the fee. And the paragraph should be additional BLS charge applicable. Okay. So when you go to BLS, you can pay it using your debit card or cash. But when you go through postal, definitely you have to go through like um, you have to provide the draft, right? Because cash you cannot uh, like send like that. Okay. So that's how it works, guys. So let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.